Fish on. Oh yeah. Loosen the drag. Got a pretty good fish. What do we got, guys? I don't know. Ooh, nice catfish. Big old chunk of bait there. Hopefully get a big catfish on that one. Alright guys, so today we are doing a little lake fishing here in Phala, Thailand, in Rayong province. We're hoping to get catfish on the big pole and some good tilapia on the ultralight. Trying to get one of those big old catfish on this heavy bait caster, guys. There are some big ones in here. Just never know, right? That's why they call it fishing. It's pretty deep off that side of the bank over there. Try that. Maybe they're running on that edge a little bit. We can handle a big one on this rig if we're lucky. That one's set. Fish on. Oh yeah. Loosen the drag. Got a pretty good fish. What do we got, guys? I don't know. Ooh, nice catfish. Nice catfish. Ooh. Oh, getting those weeds. Yeah, get out of those weeds. Nice catfish. Oh yeah. I need my net. Oh yeah, it's a good one. He's strong. Nice white cat. Need my net, need my net. Kind of a steep bank here. And a short rotted net. All right, not bad. Yeah, we had him hooked pretty good, guys. Had the trail hook back here. It's not that easy. There we go. On the trail hook, okay. And then we had him hooked good here in the lip. All right. So this is a white cat species here in Thailand. They're good eating. Good eating. See how the eyes are on the bottom? Nice fillets on there. Nothing wrong with that. You gotta make sure these you got the bottom drag hook there, but you gotta make sure these other hooks are kind of separated, not all tangled together, right? And I try to separate them and give it another little squeeze. All right. So we're early after the tilapia on this one, but whatever bites, we'll take those catfish ups. On this small ultralight, that catfish was a nice fight, as you saw there. So, but really looking for some broad sized tilapia. But we'll take whatever, right? Seem to be finding it really quick over there. I think I'm into the tilapia right in that spot. There, it just hit bottom. It's about as soon as it hits bottom, they start giving me some slack and picking it up pretty quick if I can time them. Not always that easy to time them. That's small one, I think. No. Yeah, small one. Little bitty small ones. Must have found a little tiny hole of tilapia over there. You too small, you're good for bait. So guys, on these dough bait we're using today, we're just using the crackers by the cracker blend, right? Just all crackers, and then there's 3 different kinds, kind of a beige one, a dark brown one, and a lighter colored one, right? Just 3 different kinds. And then with the crackers, just mix all that together. Dry. All right, so I'm trying a different combination right now than what I've done. I mainly used the brown one and the crackers, but went ahead and blended some of those other ones in, so we got some different flavors going on. And you just take a little water, mix it up to where you can make some nice dough balls out of it. You don't have to mix it all. You can leave part of it dry for a while if you want. Kind of get it to where you can start squeezing it. All right, pretty much it. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, that's it. So every once in a while, you got to make sure these top hooks are not tangled up here in the nylon, right? Kind of swirl them around. Make sure they're free. Give yourself the best chance you can, right? Take a little bit of our new bait, a little different style. See if we can get a bigger tilapia. Try something new. If at first you don't succeed, try again. I mean, we're getting some fish. We're just not getting the size of the tilapia we want. So again, you do have to play around with these hooks. Just after I had them separated, they are very sharp. Kind of make sure they're spread out. There we go. There we go. All right, see what we can do. Live action here. Not getting too many on the big catfish rod. I'm just letting it set. It's got a good old chunk of bait on it. Tighten up that reel a little bit. Let's see. A lot of small tilapias today for some reason. I don't know, guys. We're getting some quick action when we toss it over in there. Ooh, I hope I don't get in the brush there. Get it out of there a little bit. Oh man, what did I get myself into? I hope I don't get snagged up. Not too good a cast. Oh, I missed him. That's got to be a bunch of tilapia or something. We're in a school of them, guys. We're in a school of them. That felt like a good hit. It's either more catfish or good tilapia there. All right, let's keep it going. Thought it was a bad cast, but I guess it worked out pretty good because picked it right up. What's going on here, guys? Let's get one of these suckers in, see what's going on. Get a hook set. All right. Looks good. All right. What's going on, guys? We're getting bites as soon as it hits the bottom. Here we go. That should be like a sweet spot right there. Just let it go straight down. Must be piled up in there. Here I've been throwing way out there all this time. There he is. Come on, hit it. Playing with it. Oh, you let it go. Timing of the hook set's really tough. Oh, they're working out there. Slack again, so he's playing with it. Come on. Got him that time. What do we got? A little better tilapia maybe? Or another catfish? I think it's tilapia. Oh, got some power. Oh. Oh, yeah, another catfish? Sure, no, good tilapia, good tilapia. All right, that's what we've been looking for. Yeah, we ought to be able to pull him up. That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh, not bad. Let's see what the hook set. Good hook set. Got him up. Ooh, nice one. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want. All right. Yeah, nice one, guys. Nice ones. All right. Well, I had a battery died. Had to change the battery. Just caught a nice little redfin carp. They do eat these, but I am not going to eat him. Nice fish, though. He's still in good shape, so let him go. Yeah, there he goes. No problem. All right. I don't know, guys. I think I might move down to the other end down there. Seemed like I didn't get near as many small tilapia when I was down there. Pretty much all good sized ones. So maybe, I know it's a little deeper right down here on this end, and maybe the younger ones like the cooler, deeper water a little bit. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and try a different cast. Put it over there by that palm tree a little bit if I can stay out of the brush. Just see what happens. There's a bunch of them over here in this end, but they're just running small for some reason. Try a different cast. Got a helicopter overhead. No, I do not have my fishing license. No fishing license required in Thailand. Isn't that cool? Yeah, even for foreigners. Oh, fish on! Well, we hit something over there, guys. Oh yeah, not a bad idea to cast over there in a different spot. Get out of the brush. Working our drag a little bit. What do we got? If that's a tilapia, it's a big one. Oh yeah, a fighter. Let's see. Came up here. Oh, I think we got a catfish or something, guys. I don't know. He ain't playing around. What do we got? I saw him, but I didn't get an identification on him. Catfish. Another big white. Still got a lot of power left. That's what I like it. Hitting these good sized fish on a ultralight sure gives a lot of sport. Oh. Hopefully we got a good hook in him. He's still strong. Oh. Yeah, nice white. Asian catfish. They are sporty. Oh, it's a good one. Nothing wrong with him. Maybe I can get the net on him. I still got to wear him out a little bit more, I think. Oh, yeah. Good fish. He's a fighter, wasn't he? Oh, we got him hooked good. I think I can get him. Got a good hook in him. Got that nylon leader. Let's see what we can do. Oh no! Should have netted him. Hurry, hurry! He's gonna get away. Broke that light line. Stupid. Why didn't you use your net? Good one. Oh yeah, blue cat, blue Asian. Not bad, huh? Not bad, guys. Yeah, broke the line there. Nice one. Nice, you know, a couple pounds at least. All right. Wonder I didn't lose him trying to drag him up like that. A little heavier than I thought. All right. There's another one. Try to throw over there again.